हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। आज हम आपको द एडवेंचर बाई जयंत नार्लिकर का जो लास्ट पार्ट रह गया उसको बताएंगे। नॉट क्वाइट वी नो द प्रिसाइज ट्रैजेक्टरी ऑफ द प्लेनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन could be orbiting in any of a large number of specified states. These states may be used to identify the world. In state number first, we have the electron in a state of higher energy. In state number 2, it is in a state of lower energy. It can make a jump from high to low energy and send out a pulse of radiation. On a pulse of radiation can knock it out of state number 2 into state number 1. Such transitions are common in microscopic system. What if it happened on a microscopic level? Rajendra said, I got you. You are suggesting that I made a transition from one world to another and back again. Gangadhar Pant asked, fantastic, though it seems this is the only explanation I can offer. My theory is that catastrophic situation offer radically different alternatives for the world to proceed. It seems that so far as reality is concerned, all alternatives are viable, but the observer can experience only one of them at a time. By making a transition, you were able to experience two worlds, although one at a time. The one you live in now and the one where you spend 2 days. One has the history we know, the other a different history. The separation or bifurcation took place in the Battle of Panipat. You neither traveled to the past nor to the future. You were in the present but experiencing a different world. Of course, by the same token, there must be many more different worlds arising out of bifurcation at different points of time. Word meaning: trajectory means the path described by a projectile. धूमकेतु का चक्राकार मार्ग. एक्सप्लेनेशन मीन्स डिस्क्रिप्शन, विवरण. ऑब्जर्वर मीन्स वन हु ऑब्जर्व, परीक्षण करता. बाइफरकेशन मीन्स सेपरेशन, अलगाव. बिल्कुल नहीं, हम ग्रहों के गगन पथ के विषय में जानते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन कई विशिष्ट अवस्थाओं में किसी में भी चक्कर लगा सकता है. इन अवस्थाओं का प्रयोग दुनिया को पहचानने में किया जाता है. प्रथम अवस्था में हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रॉन उच्च ऊर्जा की अवस्था में पाए जाते हैं. दूसरी अवस्था में निम्न ऊर्जा की अवस्था में होता है. यह उच्च से निम्न ऊर्जा में छलांग मार सकता है तथा विकिरणों का स्पंदन प्रेषित कर सकता है, अथवा विकिरणों का स्पंदन इस दूसरी अवस्था से टक्कर देकर प्रथम अवस्था में प्रेषित कर सकता है. अतः सूक्ष्म दर्शक प्रणाली में स्थानांतरण सामान्य बात है. मैं आपकी बात समझता हूँ. आप मुझे यह सुझाव दे रहे हैं कि मैं एक दुनिया से दूसरी दुनिया में चला गया और फिर वापस आया. गंगाधर पंत ने पूछा. यद्यपि यह विचार मनगढ़ंत प्रतीत होता है, परंतु केवल यही स्पष्टीकरण है जो मैं दे सकता हूँ. मेरा सिद्धांत यह है कि विनाशकारी परिस्थितियाँ दुनिया को आगे बढ़ने के लिए पूर्ण रूप में विकल्प प्रस्तुत करती हैं. जहाँ तक वास्तविकता का संबंध है, ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि सभी विकल्प व्यवहारार्थ हैं, परंतु दृष्टा एक समय में उसमें से मात्र एक को ही अनुभव कर सकता है. स्थानांतरण करने पर आप दो दुनिया का अनुभव करने में सक्षम है. यद्यपि एक समय में एक ही अनुभव हुआ, वह एक जिसमें आप रहते हो, दूसरा वह जहां आपने 2 दिन बिताए. एक का इतिहास जिसे हम जानते हैं, दूसरे का इतिहास अलग है. इनका 2 भागों में बिखराव पानीपत के युद्ध के रूप में तब्दील हुआ. आपने ना तो अतीत में और ना ही भविष्य में यात्रा की. आप वर्तमान में ही थे, परंतु एक अलग दुनिया का अनुभव कर रहे थे. वास्तव में इसी स्मृति चिन्ह से भिन्न भिन्न वक्त पर बिखराव के कारणवश कई अलग अलग दुनिया बनती गई. राजेंद्र concluded. Gangadhar Pant asked the question that was beginning to bother him most. But why did I make the transition? If I knew the answer, I would solve a great problem. Unfortunately, there are many unsolved questions in science and this is one of them. But that does not stop me from guessing. Rajendra smiled and proceeded. You need some interaction to case a transition. Perhaps at the time of the collision, you were thinking about the catastrophe theory and its role in wars. Maybe you were wondering about the Battle of Panipat. Perhaps the neurons in your brain acted as a trigger. As a good guess, I was indeed wondering what course history would have taken if the result of the battle had gone the other way. Professor Gatonde said that was going to be the topic of my 1000th presidential address. Now you are in the happy position of recounting your real life experience rather than just speculating. Rajendra laughed, but Gangadhar Pant was grave. No, Rajendra, my 1000th address was made on the Azad Maidan when I was so rudely interrupted. No, number. The Professor Gatonde, who disappeared while defending his chair on the platform, will now never be seen presiding at another meeting. I have conveyed my regret to the organizer of the Panipat seminar. Word meaning proceeded means marched ahead, आगे बढ़ा. Interaction means communication, संपर्क. grave means काम, स्थिर, मूक. Interrupted means prevented, रोक दिया. जैसे ही राजेंद्र ने निष्कर्ष निकाला, गंगाधर पंत ने ऐसा प्रश्न पूछा जो शुरू में सर्वाधिक परेशान करने वाला था, परंतु मैंने स्थानांतरण किया ही क्यों? यदि मैं इसका उत्तर जानता तो मैं एक बड़ी समस्या सुलझा देता. दुर्भाग्यवश विज्ञान में बहुत से अनसुलझे प्रश्न हैं और यह उनमें से एक है, परंतु यह मुझे अनुमान लगाने से तो नहीं रोक सकता. राजेंद्र मुस्कुराया और आगे बोला, स्थानांतरण करने के लिए किसी टक्कर की आवश्यकता होती है. संभवतः मुठभेड़ के समय आप विनाश के सिद्धांत व युद्धों में उसकी भूमिका के विषय में विचार कर रहे होंगे. हो सकता है आप पानीपत के युद्ध में के विषय में विचार कर रहे होंगे. हो सकता है कि आपके मस्तिष्क में न्यूरॉन ने टक्कर देने का कार्य किया हो. एक अच्छा अंदाज़ा. मैं विचार कर रहा था कि यदि पानीपत के युद्ध का परिणाम अन्य दिशा में अर्थात कुछ और हुआ होता तो इतिहास किस ओर मोड़ लेता. प्रोफेसर गैटोंडे ने कहा, मेरे 1000वें अध्यक्षीय भाषण का यही विषय होने जा रहा था. अब आप बाधा डालने की अपेक्षा अपने वास्तविक जीवन के अनुभव को पुनः याद करने की अच्छी स्थिति में हैं. राजेंद्र हंसा, परंतु गंगाधर पंत मूक था. नहीं राजेंद्र, मेरा 1000वां भाषण आज़ाद मैदान में हो गया जब मुझे इसकी उद्दंडतापूर्वक रोका गया था. वही प्रोफेसर गैटोंडे जो मंच पर अपने आसन का बचाव करते हुए गायब हो गया था, अब किसी अन्य भाषण सभा की अध्यक्षता करते हुए नहीं देखा जाएगा. मैंने पानीपत सेमिनार के आयोजकों के समक्ष अपना खेद प्रकट किया. अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेस्ट. टिक द स्टेटमेंट दैट आर ट्रू. द फर्स्ट, द स्टोरी इज एन अकाउंट ऑफ रियल इवेंट्स. ये ट्रू है. सेकेंड, द स्टोरी हिंज ऑन ए पर्टिकुलर हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स. ये ट्रू है. थर्ड, राजेंद्र देशपांडे वाज ए हिस्टोरियन. ये ट्रू है. फोर्थ, द प्लेसेस मैंशनड इन द हिस्ट्री स्टोरी आर ऑल इमेजिनरी. ये नॉट ट्रू, ये फॉल्स है. फिफ्थ, द स्टोरी ट्राइज टू रिलेट हिस्ट्री टू साइंस. ये भी ट्रू है. सेकेंड, ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. फर्स्ट, यू नाइदर ट्रेवल्ड टू द पोस्ट नॉर द फ्यूचर. यू आर in the present experiencing a different world. आंसर है, many times I am physically at one place but I mentally would travel to the different world. I had never traveled in past in my life. I have never seen such places where the people go and give the description to other person, but I have never heard any explanation about the traveling place. In my own dream of world, I have visited many travel spots where people of amazing nature with their wonderful activities live and enjoy each other. Second question, you have passed through a fantastic experience or more correctly a catastrophic experience. Answer है, I was once collided with a truck when I was dreaming in daytime. I have passed through a fantastic experience. I felt restless. My mind was working properly. A number of thoughts were rotating in my mind. I came to know myself. I experienced a number of different places and periods of history. I have imagined a place where most Destructive tsunami hit the lives of numerous people. They were dying for hunger. I was experiencing the whole imaginative play of man natural catastrophe. It was my most catastrophic experience. Question third. Gangadhar Pant could not help comparing the country he knew with what he was witnessing around him. Answer. Gangadhar Pant could not help comparing the country he knew with what he was witnessing around him when the country was under British governance. After the Maratha defeat in the Battle of Panipat, the Indians became slaves of the Britishers and lost all their respects, but a person named Gangadhar Pant noticed around him a modern India. The Britishers were dominating over our country. Later on, it resulted the Battle of Panipat. In the Battle of Panipat, Marathas defeated Ahmad Shah Abdali and became very powerful. These rulers governed till the end of 20th century. Thus, Gangadhar Pant could not help comparing the country. Fourth question. The lack of determinism is in quantum theory. Answer. Even an ignoramus historian like me had heard of it. Professor Gatonde said he imagined many worlds pictures. In one world the electron is found here, in another it is over there, in yet mother on it is in still different location. Once the observer found where it was, we know which would be we are talking about, but all those alternatives in world could exist, just the name. Rajendra passed to marshal his thoughts. Fifth, you need some interaction to cause a transition. Answer है unfortunately there are many unsolved questions in science, but that did not stop me from guessing. Rajendra smiled and proceeded. You need some interaction to cause a transition. Perhaps at the time of the collision you were thinking about the catastrophe, the theory and its role in war. Maybe you are wondering about the Battle of Panipat. Perhaps the neurons in your brain acted as a trigger. Discuss the following statement in group of two pairs, each pairs in a group talking opposite point of view. First, single event may change the course of the history of a nation. Answer. Ahmad Shah Abdali was rooted out and he was chased back to Kabul by the triumphant Maratha army led by Sada Shivarao Bhau and his nephew, the young Biswas Rao. Their victory in the battle was not only a great moral booster to the Marathas, but it also established their supremacy in northern India. The East India Company, which had been keeping watch in development work from the sidelines, got the message and temporarily scheduled its expansionist program for the Peshwas. The immediate result was an increase in the influence of Bhanu Sahib and Biswas Rao, who eventually succeeded his father in 1780 AD. So we can say that a single event may change the course of the history of a nation. Second, reality is what is directly experienced through the sense. Answer. We directly experience reality with our senses or indirectly through instrument, but is it limited to what we see? That reality may not be unique has been found from experiment on very small system of atoms and their constituent particles. When dealing with such system, the physicist discovered something startling. The behavior of these systems cannot be predicted indefinitely, even if all the physical laws governing these systems. So reality is what directly experienced through the senses. Third, The method of inquiry of history, science and philosophy are similar. Answer B. Get some ideology in philosophy and science. The branches of learning look upon the facts. The physicist and the philosopher draw their conclusion from them. All the facts are not the same in similar time. History reveals information regarding the ancient kings, ancient places and important dates, and the philosophy included regions and thoughts. But science deals with nature and its materials. Second, first, the story is called the adventure. Compare it with the adventure described in We Are Not Afraid to Die. Answer. Gangadhar Pant is hit by a truck and becomes senseless for several days. He goes to Hobbs' building to inquire about his son. After leaving a frugal meal, he strolls towards Azad Maidan. When he presides at the president's chair, he is bodily thrown out of the Azad Maidan. He became unconscious. He regains consciousness after some days. Similarly, in We Are Not Afraid to Die, If We Can All Be Together, the author himself and his family faced strong gales. A torrent of sea water broke over the ship, and the children, along with their elders, are not afraid to die. If they could die altogether. Second, why do you think Professor Gatonde decided never to preside over meeting again? Answer. Professor Gatondo never decided to preside over meeting again because of his experience in the public meeting held in Azad Maidan. No president was present to preside over the meeting. The presidential chair was vacant. Both the audience and speaker were getting bored with the remarks in the matter of the chair. They had come to know about the futility of such kind of remarks. When Professor Gatonde tried to occupy the president's chair, Gangadhar had the experience of speaking at 999 meeting and had faced the Pune audience at its most hostile. He kept on talking. He soon became a target for a shower of tomatoes, eggs and other objects. Finally, the audience swarmed to the stage to eject his bodily. Work with words. Take the items that is closest in meaning to the following phrases. To take issue with. आंसर है टू डिस्कस. सेकेंड, टू गिव अप बैंड. इसका आंसर है टू एक्सप्रेस. थर्ड, टू स्टैंड ऑन वंस फीट. आंसर है टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट. फोर्थ, टू बी बोन्ड अप. आंसर है टू स्टॉप ऑपरेटिंग. फिफ्थ, टू मीट वंस मैच. आंसर है टू मीट समवन हु इज इक्वली एबल एज वन सेल्फ. Distinguish between the following pairs of sentence. First, he was visually moved. Second, he was visually visually impaired. आंसर है visibly. visually एडवर्ब है that can be seen. visually visually एडवर्ब है relating to sight. Second है green and black stripes were used alternately. Second, green stripes and could be used or alternately alternatively black ones. Answer alternately. Alternately adverb है means to happen one by one. Next, alternately alternatively adverb है to offer a new choice successfully. Third, the team played the two match successfully. Second, the team played two match successfully. First answer है successfully. successfully adverb है means with success. successfully successively adverb है following quickly one after the another. Fourth, the librarian spoke respectfully to the learned scholar. Second, you will find the historian and the scientist in the archaeology and natural science sections of the museums respectively. Answer respectfully. Respectfully adverb है honorably. respectibly. Respectively adverb है relating to each of the things mentioned earlier. About thinking language about. In which language do you think Gangadhar Pant and Khan Saheb talked to each other? Which language did Gangadhar Pant use to talk to the English receptionist? Answer है I think Gangadhar Pant and Khan Saheb talked in Hindi to each other. Gangadhar Pant used English to talk to the English receptionist. Second question, in which language do you think Bhau Saheb Banchi Bakkar was written? Answer, it was written in Marathi. Third, there is mention of three communities in the story: the Marathas, the Mughal, the Anglo-Indians. Which languages do you think they used within their communities and while speaking to the other groups? Answer, they used their mother tongue within their communities and while speaking to their groups, Marathi, Urdu and English respectively. They used the local dialect of Hindi. Fourth question, do you think that the ruled always adopt the language of the ruler? Answer, no. I do not think that the ruled always adopt the language of the rules. India is its example. It is ruled by Mughals as well as the English, but India did not adopt their language. Thanks, best of luck.